Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, never play yourself, pay yourself.
What's up, homies? ¿Qué tal? I'm Sierra LaFay. I'm going to do a long-awaited length check. I realize I haven't done one since last October. So yeah. Disclaimer, I already know my hair hasn't really grown, and you would think that it would have grown because I have not used nearly as much heat as I usually do back in the US. I usually use heat on my hair in the US every other week, but here I pretty much use heat. I could say I really only straightened my hair maybe 3 months out of this year. And the reason I know my hair isn't growing isn't because of the heat, because if anything it should have grown because I've taken a break from heat. But the stress that I've had, and today was actually one of those days I'm ready to punch a wall or something because it's just been really frustrating. But yeah, just an overwhelming amount of stress. I don't have my proper hair care products, so I can't really do my proper hair care regimen. I kind of neglected really taking care of my hair because time-wise I really just focused on school. School has just really eaten up a lot of my time, and when I do finally have a moment, I just want to go to sleep. But my roommate actually helped me to straighten my hair yesterday. It was funny. She did a really good job too. When she told me, she's like, oh, I've never seen you straighten your hair. And I was like, it's because every time I try to, my hair frizzes right up. And she was like, oh, it's not just your hair, it's because Barcelona is so humid because we live on the beach. And I was like, that makes so much sense. Today I tried to wear it down and I came home looking like this. So anyway, let's just do a quick length check. I do apologize for all the people who's rooting for me and my heat trained hair to grow, because I know we love to prove people wrong that heat trained, heat damaged hair can still, you know, grow. But yeah, I promise you this time around it wasn't because of the heat, it was because of the factors that I caused. So initially I was just going to put on the screen the video of my last length check so you can just kind of see side by side. But in my last length check video I have another screen of comparing it to the first one, so it would just be way too many screens on this screen. So I'm just gonna link the video up here and then you can compare the two lengths. As far as my bang though, I cut it this year. I'll link that video up here too. And when I cut my bangs, I swear they grow back instantly. Because I just cut them, I want to say at the end of July, and we're in November, so we're back down to the chin. And I also really need a trim. So yeah, my hair is breaking off because I haven't had a proper trim. As far as the side of my hair goes, we are down to this point. And then as far as the back, I don't think it's really grown any, but we're down to this point. Yeah, these are the results. Again, I do apologize for everyone who was rooting for me. I was rooting for me. How dare I? So I've already set goals now to, well, I can't really set too many because I don't have my proper hair care products, but just not neglecting my hair as much as I did prior to this length check. And also stop coming out here looking so busted all the time. Like sometimes I just be too a little too real with you guys, and I kind of gotta chill out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a homie and hit the notification bell so you never miss my weekly uploads. And until the next video, assalamualaikum.
Medicine, I need a finger and a sexy mama seat. You look good in those Adidas. Tell the paparazzi please stop. And we ain't even packing heaters. Apple bomb like Bonita. Money needs you if you need us. She whisper poppy like a secret.